welcome back to another lesson on place value. So today we're looking at comparing numbers to 50. So we started yesterday with objects and today we're looking at numbers. Okay, there is your recap. So if you pause the video and fill that in on your sheets and then you pop them into your packs, they can be looked at and marked by the teachers by the end of the week. Okay, just for a quick start to the lesson, I want you to pause the video, look at the numbers on the grid. Can you colour in the numbers which are more than 31? So look for the numbers that have got more tens, or I've got maybe the same tens but more ones than 31, and you can use your number track to help you if you need to. So pause the video, and then when you press play, I'll go through the answers. Okay, 38 is more than 31, 41, 47, 33 and 50, because they all either have more tens in the numbers or more ones than 1 than 31. And obviously the numbers that are left have all got less tens, so they are smaller, or less ones, so they are smaller. Right, I've got some numbers on the screen. I'd like you to find any number greater than 12 and write it down. Any number greater than 36. Any number greater than 24. And any number greater than 45, going up to 50. Then, can you find me a number fewer than 23? Fewer than 13, fewer than 3, not many options there, and fewer than 8. Okay, so remember, when we're finding a number more than, the number gets greater, doesn't it? And we're finding a number less than, the number gets smaller. So, got a number grid in front of me. Can you find the number 33 and point to it on your sheet? So, is 33 less than 35, greater than 35, or is 33 equal to 35? So are they the same? You can either write it in or you can just say it out loud or write the symbol in. Any choice, I don't mind, as long as you're thinking about it and joining in. Okay, so 33 is less than 35. So well done if you said less than. Right, your next number's 13. Put your finger on the number 13 on your square. Is 13 less than 11? Is it more than 11? Or is it equal to 11? 13 is greater than, because you'll notice it comes after 11 on the number track, doesn't it? Find 29 on your sheet. Alright, 29 is less than 19. 29 is greater than 19. Or 29 is equal to 19. What do we think? 29 is greater than 19. Because again, look, it's got more tens. It's on the row below 19, isn't it? So it must be greater than. Right, find the number 14. 14 is what then? 41. 14 is less than 41. 14 is greater than 41. Or 14 is equal to 41. 14 is, of course, less than 41. 4 tens is much more than 1 10. Okay, this time the grid has gone away, but if you want to use it still, You can get out the one that was printed in your packs to help you. Right. First number, what does that say? 22 is what than 32? Think about it. 22. How many tens are in 22 compared to 32? So there are only 2 tens, and 32's got 3 tens, so it must be less than. Okay, the next one. 13 is something then 13. Hope you get this answer straight away, and we should know it's equal to, because 13 is the same as 13. One's written and one is a number. The next one, 3 tens and 4 ones. What number does that make? You can write it down if that helps you. Well done. 34. And 4 tens and 3 ones. What number does that make? 43. So what goes in the middle? We've got 3 tens and 4 tens. So which one's going to be more? 34 is less than 43, isn't it? And the bottom one, 41 is something than 14. Well done. If you said greater than. 4 tens is more than 1 10, isn't it? Okay, then you've got your symbols. So, big crocodile mouth open wants to eat the biggest number. So you have more than, less than, and equal to. So 20 is what then 2 tens and 3 ones. So write the numbers down if you need to, and then pick the correct symbol. The next one you've got to do a bit of adding. So it's a little bit trickier. And then don't let this one trick you out. 19 is something 1 less than 18. So you need to think what's 1 less than 18 and write that number down. Then you can put the symbol in. Okay, it's not 18 you're thinking of, it's what's 1 less than 18. And then we've got 29, and then you've got to do the subtraction. So take some time with it and work each one out carefully. So we've got 20 is less than 2 tens and 3 ones, because that's 23. So it means you've got 3 more than 20. 50 is more than, because 40 add 8 is 48. 19 is more than, because 1 less than 18 is 17. And 29 is equal, because 30 take away 1 is 29. Right, okay, Simon says 27 is more than and 40 is less than. So you've got 2 counters cards here to pick from and put the right number into the box. So make the statement true. So Simon's 27 is more than 19 and 40 is less than 48. Well done. Okay, Kai's using a number track to compare 2 numbers. He says 41 is more than 43. Pause the video and tell me if you think he's correct or not, and think about why. Prove your answer. Prove if he's right, prove it if he's wrong. Okay, so there's the number 41. Is it more than 43? 41 is less than 43 because it becomes before it on the number line, and it's only got 1 1, and 43 has 3 ones, so that's more. So it should have said 41 is less than 43, so he's incorrect there. Okay, here's your sheet. So you've got to tick whether the statement is true or false, so it might not be correct. Then you've got to fill in the word greater than, less than, or equal to into the gap. And then the next one's the symbol. Remember that first symbol is less than, the next symbol is more than, and then the next one is equal to, and then complete the table so you get to pick the numbers of your choice. Try and do bigger numbers anywhere up to 50 for those bits.